How to remove your Google prompt device from your Google account. So you gotta put in mind that Google currently does not provide a separate switch to keep a phone signed in while removing only its Google prompt capability. So signing in the Google account out of the device is generally required. So in our case, we can go ahead into our settings, or anyway, you can go ahead into your Google account, and in a way you can manage that specific account. In our case, we're going to go ahead down here to our Google, and we're just going to choose our personal profile. So you should be able to do this in your Google app or Gmail or even the Play Store, as long as you can see the manage account option. So we're going to choose this account over here and choose the manage your Google account option right below it. You're going to scroll down until you find security and sign in, and then scroll down again until you find the manage devices section. So here you'll be able to see your devices or where you are signed in. So you're going to select the devices you want to remove. So Google sign in prompts as well. And you can check the device details carefully so you don't remove your current phone by mistake. So for example, we choose our laptop. There'll be an option to sign out from that device. So other devices currently or recently signed into your Google account as well. So just go ahead and sign out from that device. Google prompt is tied to devices where your Google account is signed in. So signing out is the supported way to stop that device from receiving those prompts. You're also going to go back to security here and find the two-step verification option, and make sure you still have another verification method available, such as your current phone or an authenticator app or even backup codes. So this will prevent you from getting locked out after removing the old device. But that's pretty much one way you can remove the Google prompt device from your Google account. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.